Welcome to Dermat Vet. Dear friends, today I am taking you to my clinic. Yes, Planet Animal Hospital. One patient is waiting for me. Yes, the name of the dog is Alex. Let's see what happened to Alex. Come with me. When I saw him, I was shocked to see a classical case of pododermatitis with a tumor of left forearm, one digit, which is swollen and necrosed. Alex keeps licking all his paws, and both these dogs spend sufficient time in the garden of the bungalow. Tumor on the right forearm needs to be surgically removed. FNA procedure was performed. When I examined his chin, he had the similar lesions as he keeps licking his paws. So this is very natural. I also did his X-ray of his tumor on the right forearm and blood test to rule out various possibilities from the differential diagnosis. His ears were also very inflamed. This is also very natural. Now my treatment protocol for this. Using Amitraz dip. Dipping with Amitraz can be quite effective for feet, as the dogs can stand in the dip solution for several minutes. Also, bathing twice a week with benzoyl peroxide or chlorhexidine shampoo will help. Now let us talk about possible causes of pododermatitis. This may cause due to allergies, as Alex is suffering from allergies. Alex is suffering from allergic pododermatitis. Otherwise, it is caused due to bacterial infections, yeast infections, or fungal infections. Now let's talk about Alex. Alex is spending sufficient time in the garden, which is mostly wet due to the prolonged monsoon. There are water-loving bacteria called as Pseudomonas aeruginosa, so this may be the reason for his pododermatitis. So I did his deworming. I gave him antibiotics and antifungal treatment. Bathing with chlorhexidine shampoo. Diet enriched in fatty acids and fish oil will help him. Other than Amitraz dip, we can also use Epsom salt, diluted and cold. Now let us talk about the bacterial infections, how to treat bacterial infections in pododermatitis. We can use antibiotics like Convinia, and frequent bathing with chlorhexidine shampoo will also help. We diagnose bacterial infection by using tape cytology. We press a piece of clear tape on the skin of the feet, stain it, and then examine under the microscope. Third cause is yeast infection. One useful, simple home remedy is by mixing vinegar with water. You can mix 1 part of white vinegar with 3 parts of water and use as a spray or food bath. It can be chilled in the refrigerator to provide a cool spray. The acid in the vinegar helps to kill this bacteria. Now fourth cause is fungal infection. Infection with ringworm are less common than those with bacteria and yeast, but they can occur. So we diagnose this infection by looking for fungal culture. Lime sulfur dip will be of great help in treating pododermatitis with fungal infection. So let us hope that Alex is going to be better soon. And with Dermat Vets, he is wagging his tail to thank Dermat Vet. So dear friends, you have seen this dog is suffering from pododermatitis, and we have discussed what are the possible causes of pododermatitis and the treatment, and how pet owners can avoid their dogs getting this kind of infection, which is called as pododermatitis. Consider subscribing if you found this video informative and interesting, and press the bell icon to get notifications from Dermat Vet.